Typically, cutting tool forms only 2% or less of the overall manufacturing cost. But most of the time, this particular element which influences the larger manufacturing cost. Well utilized cutting tool with appropriate technology helps the organization to debottleneck production bottlenecks in the shop floor, help the companies to improve productivity anywhere ranging from 20% to up to even 100% in terms of productivity, significantly improves the quality. The larger impact of this less than 2% expenditure on manufacturing organization is much more. It's many a times it's as high as 20% in terms of ability to influence overall manufacturing cost. Hence, we are a very, very strategic partner to our manufacturing customer in their process, in their journey to become more competitive by reducing the cost of manufacturing.